Hello, welcome back. Today I'd like to tell you probably the final reason in this series of why we polish our shoes. Now, over the past couple of weeks I've told you lots of things, quite a few reasons, and I like to think every single one of them is a valid reason. But you know, life's a journey. You take many journeys through life. Most of the time you're wearing your shoes while you do it. But life itself, and at the end of life, we don't know what's going to happen to us. So at the end of this journey, wherever we're going, we've no idea. And the point I'm trying to make here is that it doesn't matter what the destination is. It's the journey and not the arrival that's important. On the journey of life, you will learn many things. You'll have successes and you'll have failures. And at the end of it, none of that will matter, because you'll be dead. And eventually so will everybody else you've ever met, either before you or after you. And we don't know whether we're here to pursue something useful, to learn for the next time, or if we're just passing time. But while we're here, we do our best. We try to achieve certain things. We try to love one another. We try to find beauty in the world and advance ourselves and help our children, teach them and teach each other all along the journey, so that they can do the same for everyone that they meet. So reason 28 for polishing your shoes is you're on a journey. And it's the journey, not the arrival, that really matters. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed these little programs. I've certainly enjoyed doing them. Maybe I'll see you again. Bye bye for now.